What is up, guys? It's DJ Martini Midwest Reviews coming at you with another video for my channel today. I have a really short little tutorial and review kind of on the Nexigo DualSense vanity plate replacement, guys. It's a really cool, easy way to kind of decorate and in my case, I would say improve the look of my controllers, guys. This is a stock black controller right here, guys. And you can see they come with these black face plates for the controls on the bottom, and they're very easy to replace, and you can get a little color in them. So I went ahead and checked out these Nexigo plates right here, and you can see I already replaced one on the white here. It used to be black, like I said. You just kind of had the white and black like this. So it looked like that, and now it looks like this. I think that's pretty cool. I like the white and gold, really pops. And these are made really good, and they're not too hard to put together. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do it. They're really simple. It's a good value at, I think they go around $19. Somewhere in there, guys, you'll find or you might find a warehouse deal. They come with some colors, guys. We'll talk about that in a minute, and we're gonna get into everything. I'll show you how to get those replaced and changed and everything in this video, guys. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's DJ Martini Midwest, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share if you guys like tutorial videos on products, if you guys like review videos on products. I just try to make things really simple, easy, bring you guys value, guys. If you know, I can find something at a good price and it's a good product, then I definitely want to bring it to you guys. And even if I do pick it up and it's not a good product, I'll still bring it to you just so you guys know what you're dealing with when you buy this product. So I'm not sponsored by anybody. I just go out and purchase all this stuff myself and try to get it out to you, just like to help and to bring you guys videos on good content, on, you know, stuff that works that I pick up, guys. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. DJ Martini Midwest. Please like. What is up? Just a quick warning, guys. I'm just showing you guys how I got this done. There is a chance you could break these. These are plastic, you know, things can break, clips can break, stuff like that. So you have to do this at your own risk and your own skill level. I'm just showing you how I got it done. That way it can help you guys get this done. So do this at your own risk, own skill level. If you don't feel comfortable, do it. Don't do it. Take it to somebody else and have them get it done for you. But I'm just showing you how I got it done. Maybe it'll help you guys out in the future. So let's get into the video on the Nexigo DualSense vanity plate. So it comes in a really small box. I already got rid of the box, but it's basically just two of these stacked together. They do come in a 2-pack, which is kind of cool. So you get, you know, you can either have one controller and you can replace it 2 different ways with 2 different colors, or you can have 2 controllers and of course replace both plates. It comes just with a little instruction book, but you kind of look through there and, you know, you read it, and sometimes it just doesn't relate on how you take these apart. So, you know, I think it's just easier if I just make a quick video for you guys. That way you guys know how to get it done. So it does come with instructions, but really that's it. It's just the 2 plates like this in a bag, and then that's you're ready to go. So like I said, I already replaced this one. This was black before, and now it's gold, so it looks pretty cool there. But we're gonna go ahead and work on the black controller here. So the only tool you're gonna need is, you could use your fingernail, but I really don't have any fingernails. A fingernail would work. Or if you guys have like an old credit card that you don't mind if you break off a corner or something, that's an option as well. Or a very skinny, small, your little flathead utility screwdriver, that would work. But I have these old pry tools that I have from, you know, working on stereos and stuff. So this will definitely work, guys. If you have one of these laying around, anything plastic, any kind of little scraper or something that you could just have a little edge on there so you can kind of pick at something and get it out, will work, guys. And so I'm going to show you how to get this removed here, guys, on this PS5 controller, guys. And so you can see right there that there's just a little bit of separation between the lip and the edge, and that's what you want to get into again. So right in here, guys, you want to get into there, and we're going to go ahead and take this little tool and just kind of poke in there. There we go. And you just poke in there, and I was able to pop that out. You can see that's popped out, and I'm going to go do the other side too as well. And I got it, and then it popped back in. There we go. Now I got both sides, and when I'm taking these off, I find the easiest way is to start at the bottom and then work your way up. So then now that we got these out, I'm going to kind of show you down here, guys. You just slowly follow all the way up, guys. I'm going to show this to you guys. Just follow all the way up and keep just slowly pulling these up on both sides at the same time here. It's kind of hard to do, trying to show you guys here. And then right here, you see there's a separation right there. You get in between there, and I'm going to show you again, and then just pull up. There we go. And once you pull up on the bottom there, this whole piece will fold out like that. And now you have this exposed here, guys. So that is all good to go. And now we're going to go and put the silver in, which is really going to pop, guys. I'm excited about that. Now on these, it's easier to put the top in first because it has these little pegs right there. So you put the top in first over the little sticks here, and then I'm going to push down, and then I'm going to push down up, push up a little bit until all this is flush in here. See, it's all flush with, and then I'm going to push down on this middle part. Boom. Push down on the middle part here, and that kind of sinks it in and pushes it down. Now we just have the backs to worry about, and we just keep on pushing around. So we'll just push around here, push around here, push around here, clicks, and you're hearing all these clicks. And then we're going to go ahead and just work our way down. Push here, 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 and boom, we got that all in, guys, and that was pretty simple. And there you go, guys. Now I have black and silver control. I think that's pretty sweet. My favorite colors. And I think it looks pretty cool. So easy way to just kind of make your controllers separate from the others. This Nexigo company makes a pretty good matching. I mean, exactly the same thing as the stock PS5 covers. So they work really good. They fit really good. Good fitment. No issues putting them on, taking them off. I've taken these off, on and off a couple times. Still looking pretty good. So no problems. Pretty good little item for your PS5 controllers. Works just like the stock ones, and you know, I'm pretty impressed. They're pretty cool. The Nexigo company, like I said, makes these, laser cuts them, all that good stuff. They do come in a couple colors. They have, and I said it comes in a 2-pack, guys. So you get, you know, blue gold, red blue, red gold, red silver. This is the gold and silver, of course, pack that I have. Then you can get silver, so if you wanted 2 silvers. And then they also have a red blue camo color, which I was kind of thinking about. It looked kind of cool. It's not like a digital camo, just a regular camo looking controller, and they're all about $19, $18.99. Some of them might have a warehouse deal or something that for a better value, if you guys can find. All right, guys, let's wrap this video up on the Nexigo DualSense vanity plate replacements, guys. They are pretty easy to put in, not too hard, very, very good product. Fit, laser cut, fit really good, easy to take off, you know, when you want to replace them or whatever. I think they are a value at $19, not bad at all, and they make your controllers look a little bit different from everybody else's. So I think it's a thumbs up, guys. I like them. I will leave some links in the description if you guys want to check those out. Other than that, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. It's been DJ Martini Midwest Reviews on the Nexigo faceplate replacements, guys, and a quick tutorial, so check them out. And we will talk to you guys later. More videos to come. DJ Martini Midwest Reviews. Please like, subscribe, and share. Later, guys.